Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to pay for games on the Epic Games Store. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. After opening up Epic Games guys and logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games that you own on your Epic Games account and all the games that you can buy in the store. So guys, the first thing you want to do if you want to pay for games, you have to add a payment method. And how do you do that? Well, I'm going to show you now. The first thing you have to do guys is go right here in the upper right corner where your profile picture is and click on that icon right there. As you can see guys, after clicking on that, now this gives us a drop down menu of options that we can use, such as seeing our achievements, using our settings, our account, and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and click the third option right here called account and go ahead and click on that. Clicking that guys, now this will lead us to a new external browser that will open up the official Epic Games website. So guys, here it will take you to the option to edit your account. As you can see here guys, now at the left side of the screen, there are options that I can use for editing my account, such as account settings, email preferences, payment management, and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and find this option right here, the third option called payment management. So guys, go ahead and open up that. And now guys, this will open up this new page where you will be able to add payment methods. So guys, as you can see, you can either add a credit card or you can pay using PayPal. So you can choose whatever you want, which one you prefer more. If you're going to add a credit card, just go ahead and enter your credit card details and save. And then it will be automatically saved and you will be able to pay using that credit card. If not, if you want to use PayPal, then just go ahead and select PayPal and go to the official PayPal verification site to confirm that you want to use it for this website. And then after that, you'll be able to start paying for your games. So the next time you go ahead and buy a game, you will now be able to pay for it. Let's say that you want to go ahead and buy a game, go ahead and click on buy now guys, and after that, after you click on the buy now option, you will be able to pay for your order, as you will see right here with the option that you have added your credit card or PayPal. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.